Next, I will come to the profit page. This is our profit based on the invoices. So we can see the profit. So what is the cost of and what is the profit split, everything. So there is one bar chart, I mean line chart for the profit and revenue cost, everything. We can see only the revenues, whatever it's that filter we can do. On cost wise, if you on profit wise, everything we can see. So there's a monthly, yearly revenue. You see here. We can, if you want to daily in the sense, we can see. This orange color is meant by the our percentage margin is low in the sense we indicate that orange. If you green in the sense it is good, so we'll indicate like that. So history, see the percentage overall is 15%. It is below of revenues, so you can see that one. So this is all-time the revenues. What is the today's revenue, all-time revenue? You can see here, and low stock alert recent invoices. We can see here as well. This is a profit report based on day wise. One day, how many invoices has been done, how many item has been sold, what is the revenue cost, everything we can see, and what is the margin percentage we can see. This one also we can download as a PDF Excel sheet, and based on the date selection, we can see the values as well. So after that we can see the product. So this is the product dashboard. We can see the total products in stock and what is the low stock, out of stock, everything we can see here. Based on the categories wise, we can see here what is the in stock, how many product is there, we can see here. So as well, this is the top product selling by the we can see the bar and line chart here as well. We can filters here based on the quantity set. So there's a top product selling items we can see in the product list as well. Yeah, after that I'll move to the product list. Whatever we are adding the product, we can see here. If you want to add any new product in the sense, we can add here, or else if you want to, by default you have the suppliers bill, and you want to upload it in the sense, you can scan directly. It will automatically take from the online. If you have the internet in the sense, it will take it as online. If you don't have internet in the sense, it will convert that PDF to the values to the offline. So if you want change the file in the sense, we can change it here. So after that, after analyzing one or 20 to 30 second, we will get the data here. So we can apply changes here. It will come to the product. After that, if you want, select the supplier's name and brand, whatever you want, you can say. What is the selling price over here? If you want sell to 300 rupees and your wholesale price is 260 rupees, and your MRP should be 350, whatever is that, you can. So how many quantities is there, and if you have the GST percentage, we can make it as a GST percentage, HSN number we can add. If you have the product expiry in the sense, we can date, we can do, or else we can leave it. If you have the barcode already existing in the sense, we can type, or else you can keep it as empty. It will auto generate. So after that, if you save this product, it will come here. If you want to print this one as a barcode in the sense, also we can see the barcode level here. So this is based on. So also if you want, this is the printer name or whatever is there, you can select the printer and you can print this one. So if you want any setting changes for the barcode in the sense, we can make it as a bigger, smaller, so whatever is their size you can change. And if you want increase the width manually, and margins as well, and if you want to show the MRP, you can click it, and if you want to show the sellers, you can click it, and if you want to show the quantities, logos, whatever is there, you can. If you want the crypto for the cost for the your employee can only understand this one. So Z means 0, A means 1. You can see this one in the barcode as well. So BZ is that there is a 2 4 like that. So 0 240 something buy price, selling price should be a 300. So based on the this barcode number, we can identify the product in the billing as well. Yeah. So if you want to see the product list in the sense, you can see here. If you want low stock, only the low stock product we can see here. What is the low stock product we can see here? If you added the same product, you bought from the supplier, again in the sense you can edit only the quantities numbers here. So if you want to increase in the sense, you can make it as a 100. It will go from the low stock to main stock. So category, if you want to add any categories, what is the category, shirt, pant, if you want, or something other in the sense, we can add the categories by clicking this, and you can add and you can save it. So if you want to add the unit in the sense of, I mean, kilo, box, whatever is that, inch, piece, whatever is that, you can add it here as well. If you want a multiple deletion, if you want in the sense, you can delete here based on this. So as well, brand, I've added some example that jockey, and as well you can add the polos, whatever is their brand, shirt, pant, or some other things as well. So you can add it here. This will use from the, while you adding the product, we can select this based on the category as well. This is similar to the product. Next, I will go to the supplier level. So supplier, we have the supplier dashboard. We can see so how many suppliers is there, 512, and what is the total purchase over here, and total paid, and what is the outstanding amount for the suppliers pending amount. So we can see the monthly purchase trend as well. Top selling the purchase value, whose supplier, which supplier is making as the top purchases value, as we can see. So this is the top supplier, same in the list as well, and what is the recent purchases is there, so we can see here. This is the one. So after that we'll see the supplier list. Whatever we are adding the supplier, it will come here, the numbers or what address, whatever is there. If you want to add new supplier, in the sense we can add based on this one. If you have GST as of supplier, you can add it here. So this is a purchase order list, same thing. If you want directly, you can from the supplier. If you have the PDF in the sense, directly we can do. If you don't have any bill from the supplier in the sense, we can do without bill, and we can add the product as well. So based on the supplier's name, you can select this one, and we can add the product. After that, if you want multiple in the sense, can add it here as well. You can delete from here. How many amount paid for this supplier, I mean this amount. So what is the payment method, and what is the next due for the supplier, so we can select that 23. So it will get the notification here as a 23, you have to pay this supplier, so like that it will get the notification. So what is the total amount, if you want some description note in the sense, you can create. After that you can create the order. So it will come to the this purchase as well, so you can add it from here as well. You can add same thing whatever explained before. So you can select based on the date as well. So what is the purchase from this month, we can see. We can download the PDF as well, so we can add the supplier here as well. So payment history in the sense, I have added 14 to this supplier. So we'll see based on the date selection, we can see the total amounts of payment of today's date, we can see here. So based on the supplier also, we can filter the data based on the mode, or which UPI, cash, so whatever is there, we can select this one. So also we can download as a PDF as well here. So we can see the total amount, how many payment has been done, what is the pending amount, we can see everything is here. So I forgot one thing. So we can add supplier level, and whatever product under this supplier we can view here. So based on this, we can um, let me search alpha here. So this supplier has so many product we can see here. So we can edit this one. So this supplier have 25 product, we can see here. So if you want to add purchase, same thing, we can add it here as well. So this is the view product, this is the edit, and these things. So in the purchase as well, we can see the payment. So same thing, whatever I explained in the report as well, same thing we can do here. We can add the payment here as well, payment mode, or we can add what is the amount we need to give the suppliers, and what is that, and what is the next due date. So I will keep it as say 22. It will remind me as a 22 is I need to give this 22 4. So tomorrow I need to give this one. So from the tomorrow morning you will get the notification for you need to pay this person as a this amount. So this notification we will get. So if I selected payment contract, so today's date, submit here. So today's date. So I applied here because today's morning only you will get the notification morning once only. So after that, administration. So administration, we can see the admin preview here. What is the, how many employees is there, and what is the total payroll, and how many expenses has been done, what is the system users. We can see everything. So invoice template, already I explained it, more than as a 20 template we have, and it will same, you can print in the A4 sheet as well. You can send the PDF in the WhatsApp notification as well. So same templates we can use whichever templates if you want. So customers, we can add the customers here. So based on memory, you can type it here. So employees. So whatever employees is there, we can add it here. After that, employees expenses based on the name, we can add the expenses here. So expenses date is 21, and I will make it as a rent something. Okay. Okay, bonus. I will make it as a bonus only. The title. Okay, amount should be 2000. Okay, I will add and I will save. So it will come under the expenses, and if you give the petrol expenses as well, it will come under here. So this is the company expenses. What are the company expenses we are making? So today is 21. So I'll make it as this one as a rent, and today we paid rent as a some 25,000, and we can add if you want note as well. So if you save this one, it will save and it will show as this one. You can edit it, and if you want to download as a PDF, you can do. So so right now I have added employee and company expenses. So you can see this overall report in the day end report. So whatever I'm added, it will come under the expenses. I have paid one company rent as well, one employee bonus as well here. So it will come under the expenses, and you will see the how many net balance as we our total billing has been 7,000, and our expenses 27,000. We are in net balance as remaining minus values. So yeah. So after that, user management in the sense, if you have to add the users, we can give the permissions as well. So based on this, a super admin who's the owner of that, have the all the access, all the menus access, everything. So this admin, this rest everyone as a user. So this is a user as well. This is the main company setting. If you want company logo, company QR, and UPI ID, so whatever is there, we can add a company name or shop name. So mobile number, this is the owner name. Over putting the owner's name, it will go to the notification this number. So as well, we can see the non-GST rupees Indian countries as well. So here you will get the WhatsApp invoice notification. If you want to go to the particular person in this, you need to scan this one through the your WhatsApp notification. So this is the main setting. After that, you can see the print setting. If you want the invoices as a, if you don't want HSN barcode, MRP don't want, and taxable, only the discount amount, total, and that particular selling amount. If you want to show in the invoices as well, in the sense you can save this setting, that will automatically redirect to this invoices. Menu access in the sense, if you have the so many users in the sense, you can give particular menu access. So this guy want to admin one only the billing and quotation. If you don't want in the sense, if you can uncheck. So by default is we can keep it as billing, and if you save it in the sense, this particular person will get only the billing page. Rest everything is be hidden for this one. So if you want in the sense, I will show it as a logout and login again. So you can log out, and I will keep it as a admin one. So if I put it this one in the sense, see, you'll see the only this contact page, and after this logout, so if you log out again, I will see. Yeah, so it will come the main admin page. So after that, owner report. So if you want whatever we are sending day end report now, you can enable and disable. If you enable in the sense what time your shop close, or else your retail wholesale, whatever it's that, you need to put the time based on that. So whatever you are adding this time, before 10 minutes only, it will send the automatically send the note WhatsApp PDF file to the that owner. So if you want day end reports as well, you can enable, disable whatever values or you need to send to that in PDF in the sense, you can save here. So if I disable this one, it will come like this. So you will get this one, this much like this. You will get the notification in the PDF. So if you want low stock product, whatever less than of 15 is that, so you will get as a less than of 15 in the low stock alert. So over here in the low stock alert, you will see the only the 15, less than of 15. If you, after saving only, it will get. I didn't save this value. So yeah, like this, you can send on a report. This is the backup and schedule. Whatever is there daily, you need to take the backup from the this date in the sense whatever backup time you need to set. So If your closing time is 10 o'clock, in the sense you can keep it 9 o'clock as a backup timeout. Can daily, weekly, and you can check this thing. And also, yeah, this is only the super admin area. So if you want to clear the data, so okay, 1 year your data, all the um, uh, tax, everything you are done, in the sense you no need that data, in the sense you can select clicking this one as well. You can date wise also you can delete. So this is the multiple selection. Only this much data is from this date to this date I need to remove. So in the sense you can select this data from this much, and you can delete, in the sense it will delete. So there's the backup and schedules and quotation. If you have wholesale supplier, you need to give the quotations to some other person, in the sense we can add it in the quotations as well. You can save everything. So already existing quotation I have added here. So this is the existing quotation. If you want send that particular persons, in the sense in the WhatsApp also you can send. If you want download PDF as well, you can download. So offer and discount. If you have the shop or something else, you have some sales offers, in the sense you can send it this one as a directly to the WhatsApp. So if you select this one, right now we have only the permission for the 50 customers we can send. If you select it, in the sense it will come whatever is there, our customer's name, it will come. So we can select based on this one. And as well, after that we can send this exact image, it will send to this person. So if you have any others background images as well, ribbons, you have special offer, whatever is there, everything you can customize it. Yeah, this is the main thing. I already explained these things and all.